Hey guys, April here. I've got a really fun recipe for you today. They are cottage cheese pancakes. So you know how sometimes when you're gluten-free and you really want pancakes, but they just don't taste the same or the mix is really expensive. These flour-free cottage cheese pancakes are amazing. Look, I have some made here. Look at how they turn out. They look like regular pancakes and they taste amazing and they're high protein and they only have 5 ingredients. So let's get making. So what you'll need for the pancakes is some cottage cheese, main ingredient, gluten-free rolled oats. You'll need 5 eggs. You'll need some cinnamon, and you'll need some maple syrup. And that's all you need. So I'll put the link for the full recipe in the description below, but it's a cup of cottage cheese each, a cup of cottage cheese and a cup of oats, and then the 5 eggs and some cinnamon and some maple syrup, and that's it. So what you're going to do is we're going to put it in the blender and we're going to blend it up till it's smooth. So let's do that now. So there's the cottage cheese, the oats. Okay, let's do our 5 eggs. Two, 3, 4, oops, and 5. Okay, this is between the eggs and the cottage cheese, it really makes these pancakes nice and high protein as well. Okay, now all we need is a tablespoon of maple syrup. And that's all you need, and they're actually quite sweet. And obviously when you're serving them, you know, get a little extra maple syrup on there. I like having them with some fruit, like some berries, and then some cinnamon. Okay, put that in there too. Okay, now we're going to blend it up. So I'm going to blend this on high for 1 minute. I have a Ninja Chef blender, and I actually like the soup setting because at the start it kind of blends it slow so it doesn't like come all the way up and get all over the inside of the blender. So I like the soup setting. You can also blend it on any speed you like, but what I find is it usually takes about a minute for them to get totally smooth. So let's do that now. Okay, so they're all blended up, and I'm just checking here, but it is nice and smooth. It's a super smooth mixture, and if you have a blender like this, it's nice because then when you're grilling them, you can just pour it right from the blender container. You can make them any size you want, obviously, but it's usually about a 1/4 cup to a 1/3 of a cup for the pancakes on the grill. And if you're making pancakes more than once a week, like I am, I'd recommend getting one of these grills. It's just nice. You don't have to use your fry pan, and it's non-stick, so you don't have to put anything on it. So I got this one on Amazon. It wasn't too expensive, but it's something nice and easy to make pancakes with. But that's how you make those cottage cheese pancakes, guys. I hope you love them. And here I'm going to give you one more shot of what I have here. Here's the finished product. I've got a delicious plate of cottage cheese pancakes. I got some fruit on there. I hope you love the recipe. I hope you check it out. And you've totally got this. See you next time.